Welcome, sweet one, to this week's guided meditation. This is your space to lay it all down. The weight, the questions, the ache, the fear. To soften, to offer, to remember. Find a space where you can be completely undisturbed. You may choose to kneel, recline, or lie back in full surrender. Maybe light a candle, anoint yourself with oil, dim the lights. If you feel called, place a pillow or a scarf where your altar would be, and imagine it glowing with the essence of your higher self. Let this be sacred. Let this be yours. Let's begin. Close your eyes. Let your lips part slightly. Take a deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out. Again, inhale and feel your chest rise. Exhale and let the air fall from your body like a prayer. Continuing to breathe in your own natural rhythm. Tapping into your root. Feel the base of your spine connect with the earth or floor. Imagine a thread of red light extending down, anchoring you into the womb of the earth. Moving up to your legs, relax your thighs, unclench your knees, let the calves melt, your feet softening, your toes releasing. Bring your awareness to your pelvis. Imagine your hips opening gently. Release the tension. Let it go. Moving up to your belly. Breathe into it. Let it rise fully, beautifully, and let it fall. Feel the sacred softness of your gut. No holding, no hiding. Move into your heart. Widen the chest. Lift your shoulders slightly, and then allow them to drop with an audible exhale. Moving up to your throat, soften your jaw. Release your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Imagine a blue light swirling at your throat, opening, soothing, blessing. Moving up to your face, soften your brows. Let the eyelids be heavy. Relax the temples. And finally moving up to the crown. Imagine it opening like a flower, light pouring in, divine presence washing through you. Let your whole body rest here in the stillness. Let yourself be held. Now imagine you're walking barefoot on sacred ground. The earth is warm beneath your feet. The air is thick with silence and scent, like sandalwood, rose, and ancient rain. Ahead of you is a temple, not one built by man, but by your soul. You step inside. The space is dimly lit, glowing from within. It hums. It breathes. In the center there is an altar. It is covered in silk, stone, sacred items, feathers, candlelight, letters never sent. It is yours. Every piece of it reflects a part of you. And there, standing at the altar, is you. Not the you that doubts or grasps or aches, but the you who sees beyond the veil, the higher self, looking at you with fierce love. You approach the altar. In your hands is a bundle. It contains your struggle, your longing, your grief, your confusion, your fear. And you kneel. Let yourself kneel now in real time if you wish. Bow your head. Feel the fullness of this moment. And when you're ready, place your offering on the altar. Let it be seen. Let it be received. Your higher self steps forward, kneeling before you, placing their hand over your heart and whispering, "You do not have to carry this alone. I will lead you now. You are safe to rest. You are safe to trust. You are safe to be loved." They anoint your forehead with oil, placing a cloak of light over your shoulders. Repeat after me. I lay down the weight. I choose to be led. I trust in what I cannot see. I am safe in the unknown. My softness is holy. My surrender is sacred. I am held by love itself. Breathe. Let these words wrap around your nervous system like a lullaby. Feel your chest open to the mystery. Breathe in for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let the breath be your prayer. Let it be the language of your submission. Now release the control. Let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Lay back fully if you haven't already. Place one hand on your heart, the other on your womb or sacral space, and whisper softly, I receive, I receive, I receive. Now imagine your higher self offering you their hand. You rise together from the altar. They lead you to a door at the back of the temple, a new threshold, a next chapter. They open it for you. What do you see? Is it a meadow? A path? A glowing expanse of unknown? Let yourself be guided there and ask, what is my next right step? Let the answer come through image, word, feeling, or peace. You don't need to know the whole path, just the next breath and the one after that. You are not alone. You never were. Begin to slowly return to your body. Wiggle your fingers. Roll your neck. Breathe into your heart. Whisper once more, I submit, not in defeat, but in holy trust. I am willing to be led. When you're ready, open your eyes. Take your time. Drink water, light a candle, or sit in silence as long as you need. You've just offered your whole being back to the divine. Let that ripple through you in the hours to come.